Hello everyone, welcome back, and we're gonna keep continue with chapter 8. Hopefully you guys are able to understand what we're gonna do for the next part. And this is probably the last chapter for chapter 8. Hopefully you guys enjoy the chapter 8 so far, and then I feel like you guys are able to do all the questions after the today's lesson. I'm gonna split up the two three different videos and about 8H. So today we're gonna keep doing with minimum spanning the trees and the greedy for algorithms. So we're gonna let you guys know what is tree means in the graphs. And then next video I'm gonna talk about what's the prims and what's the crystals. And yep, that's the plan. Let's start with the tree. The tree is actually means the connect the graph contains no circles, multiple edges or loops. So which is only straight lines, which means the tree. The trees may be part of the large groups of the graph. So the tree have, for example, if the tree has n vertex, and they will only have n minus 1 edges. Okay, so that's always gonna happen. For example, for graph 1 and 2, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So only 7 edges. Graph 2 as well. I'm not gonna counting how many we have the tree the vertex and the edges. So it's too much. But make sure if you had multiple edges, loop, and circle, that doesn't mean tree. Okay, good. Okay, so and spanning tree, which is a tree that connect all of the vertex, is connect the graph. Okay, so which is spanning tree. For example, if we had so we have examples. If I had a graph 1 like this, so if I had this one, this is called the spanning tree, A, B, C, D, E. So we connect it, but we have to figure out which spanning tree it looks like. So I'm going to use these examples for the spanning tree. So the first one we could do, as we know, the spanning tree is connects all of the vertex in a connected graph. So the graphs have 5 vertices and 7 edges. And because we need to know, we have to have the 5 vertex and minus 1, so which is n equal to 5. So n minus 1 equal to 4 edges is the tree. So which is, if I had E connect to A and connect to B and connect to C and connect to D, that was the spanning tree 1. And we have another one for spanning tree. So we could do, we had E, and we connect to D first. And then we connect to B first. And then the B can connect to C first and connect to A. Yeah, that's another one. Because there's no circle, so which is good. So we have to have the whole connections, which is fantastic. This is spanning tree 2. Perfect. And then that's basically what we actually can showing for you guys what they looks like. Sometimes we have to figure out what is the minimum spanning trees. So um, the minimum spanning trees is like spanning tree of the minimum lengths. So there might be more than one. So just be aware. Okay. For Prim's algorithm, I will show you guys in the next video. Hopefully, we can go through that one. And yep, don't. You can click for the next video, and then you will keep going.